I pull out the chair. I pick up the chair. I put down the chair. I tilt the chair. I put the chair in. I sit down on the chair. I sit and start studying. I try to get up from the chair. I stand up from the chair.